Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at, again, the MagSafe wallet. Now this is about a year later because I got this when I got this. This is the iPhone 12 mini and I'm about to upgrade to the 13 Pro and I'm bringing this along, but I have some reservations on it and you should probably know about them too. First, functionally the wallet works perfectly fine. So this is a case-to-buy-case with the built-in MagSafe kind of enhancer, so it's not just over plastic. There is a magnet inside the case and it does stick nicely to it. If you take the case off and just have the naked phone, it fits perfectly. This is one of my favorite things about having the iPhone mini, whatever, 12 or 13, look at that, that fits perfectly. This is exactly fitting to the edge. And because I'm getting the 13 Pro, and well, we live in New York City, so I'm sorry about the noise here. Because I'm getting the 13 Pro, it's not going to fit exactly like this. Imagine, oh my God, imagine if I was getting the 13 Pro Max. That would be gigantic, and it would look kind of silly on here. Any MagSafe accessory has to work with the minis because that's going to be a part of the lineup. It's rumored that the minis will not be part of next year's lineup, so maybe that means they're going to enhance the size of certain things. Now again, I think this works perfectly. Right now, I have a credit card, my ID, a Metro card, and $2 bills inside, and this is just how I keep it. So normally, I have this on the back of my phone, in my pocket, usually in my right side pocket here. But if you kind of look closely at this, it's wearing, and it's wearing in a way that is not exactly what you'd think. So this is a leather product, and what I would like it to do is eventually start wearing on the leather. But if you can see here on the sides, let's see if you can just kind of, can you see that? It is starting to look disgusting. And I've been told, and I've been telling other people, what do you think about the look of this? And they're telling me that this is not getting that patina, is that patina on leather that you really think would look good. It's actually because it's going in and out of my pocket so many times as it's on the back of my phone, it is starting to wear on what you would call the seal here on the side, and it is not looking good. For example, if I want to, I'm just picking parts of it off and flicking them off. Now what I do every once in a while is I take a Clorox wipe and I kind of just clean off all the edges here on the front and the back, try not to rub against this to actually erode any more of this seal, but it looks bad. It is one of the products which I thought was going to age gracefully, but it looks really bad. Now I've had sealed products, for example, not saying that I've had a Louis Vuitton wallet in the past, one of those card cases, and maybe it did get nicked on the side, but it had the same kind of seal here, but even though it went in and out of my pocket, and I had that for over 3 years, it did not get as gross as this has gotten within months. Now this is after I've cleaned it. Now I have not cleaned this maybe in about 3 weeks, and let's see if you can see, it's looking bad. It is just disappointing how gross this looks, how gross it feels. If I want to, I can clean this off here. Let's see if we can clean this off. But I kind of just want to show you what this looks like because it's not something that I think works. And I forget how much I paid for this. I think it may have been $60 or $59 or something. And there are others. For sure there are others. I think there's a brand called Moft, and my friend, they said that he says that it does not stick as well to the back of the phone because this, I just have to say, this sticks amazingly well. It's because this kind of had this really flat back. It fits perfectly there with the case, without the case, and it just sticks on there. I was trying to show you. In my pocket, it's never fallen out unless I really shake this. I've really never had an issue. I really like how flat this really fits to the back of the phone. Now that other one, Moft, is 30 bucks, and I mean, it's also a stand, that one, and it's also MagSafe. It does a lot of stuff, And it's I'm kind of thinking about getting that too, because again, this one is still fully functional until, I don't know, if that seal will ever be so eroded that maybe it will fall apart, but I don't think so. It won't fall apart because it is stitched. It's just going to look a little bit gross. I'm trying to clean this off here on camera just so you can see what this can look like. But if I had to make a recommendation, because I believe the new MagSafe wallet and this one here are in fact going to be produced the same way, if I had to make a recommendation, I would get the black one. I got this one because I got a black phone and I wanted this to be eye-catching. I got this because if I leave it on a table, I want this to look bright and not like a black tabletop if I have one, or I don't want it to kind of mix in with the back of my phone. Sorry, that's all me. So I got this color here, but it is just looking gross. And even after I'm cleaning off this here, now this is a sanitizing disinfecting wipe, and if you begin to say, oh, it's because you use this wipe that it's starting to deteriorate, no, this is just after a few months, after the first time it got kind of gross, I started cleaning this off, and you know, it does the trick. And again, I try to get the front and back, but it is the sides where this is wearing off. I've been very active over the summer, just kind of biking and moving, and it could be that it's just all the movement that I make. Maybe it's just kind of eroding this, but I think that's no excuse. So many people live in New York City, so many people use, let's say, city bike or do anything like that, and yeah, I think that they could have done a lot better job. Whoever produced the seal, whoever's job it was, it does not look good. It does not look good at all, because I'm not doing anything special that somebody else in an active city like this would be doing. And again, here is how it looks, kind of clean. It's kind of shiny just because I just cleaned it, but that's what it looks like. It's gonna be fine. Again, this is stitched, so you're going to be able to use this, and I'm going to be able to be using this for a long, long time. But for me, it's a disappointment that this premium product that I wanted to look good for a long time, like another leather product card holder that I'd had, it's just not going to be that. Unless I go with the black, which I think I may the next time, because I do really like how it just kind of sticks there. It is functionally perfect. It is functionally exactly what I was looking for, and still am looking for in a wallet. But maybe that moft thing would be fine. Although when my friend did shake his phone, it did fall off there because it is not flush, because it has moving parts to kind of just like create a stand, but maybe that's just what I do. I'm perfectly fine having one credit card, my ID, my subway card or metro card here, and 2 bills inside. I think that's exactly what I need. So that's really it. Guys, if you have any questions, I will be using this same wallet when I upgrade to the 13 Pro. I'm excited for that phone. We'll be doing a lot of content with that when I get that on Friday. But yeah, if you're looking for a MagSafe wallet from Apple, I would recommend getting the black, because the black, you can't really see that this kind of grossness that's going on here. If you get any other color, even let's say navy blue, one of a brighter color, it's gonna look gross, because that seal is eventually gonna be coming off, possibly in your pocket, and it's just gonna not look as good. But that's it, guys. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me try to get the good thumbnail. Yep, that's it right there. We're happy with that. But thank you, guys. I will see you next time. Yeah, any questions, anything, right down there below. See you guys.